After natural gas recently witnessed this pullback to the upper band of this yellow channel, we have now seen another massive breakout to the upside as volume delta has been spiking up. And so in today's video, we discuss whether this is actually the beginning of a sustained bullish trend or whether a crash might be happening next, as we've seen it happening to precious metals. And if you like this content, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video so you don't miss future update videos, and also support us here on our channel. And if you have any questions or want to give us your opinion about this topic, please make sure to comment down below. Thanks for your support. Now let's have a look at the macroeconomics to actually understand the key drivers of natural gas. And so we are looking here at the weekly chart of natural gas combined with the purchasing managers index and also the gold to silver ratio. And the last few crises that we've seen had always similar things happening to it. We have seen that crisis being built up by an inflationary rally here at natural gas. We've seen that actually coincide to the PMI, the Purchasing Managers Index, which is actually showing you the economic activity in the US. We have seen that declining, and we have seen that reversal here at the gold to silver ratio. And after the crash happened, we have seen that ratio to strengthen. We have seen the PMI weakening further, and we've also seen natural gas prices obviously crashing down. Now, what we've seen here at the Corona crash was a little different. We have seen that top here at natural gas in 2018, but obviously you have also seen that weakening natural gas price here at the beginning of this crisis. We have also seen that little pull up here, and we have also seen the PMI weakening. We have seen the gold to silver ratio also having this reversal at exactly the peak of this crash. We have seen that transition from this weakening to this strengthening gold to silver ratio. And if you now have a look at what is currently happening, you do see similarities here. You do see this weakening gold to silver ratio, and you do also see the PMI, the Purchasing Managers Index, weakening here. Now, obviously, we're currently in a quite similar macroeconomic environment. If you have a look at the bank's balance sheet and the interest rates, you do see we have seen the beginning of those cuts always previous to the actual crash. And we're obviously also in this phase of interest rate cuts right now. And when this crash is actually happening, we tend to see the balance sheet of the Fed actually expanding, which we're also currently seeing. And so those two monetary policy aspects are already showing you that the likelihood of a crash is actually not so small. We tend those policies being started not for no reason, but for some reasons. And obviously there seems to be a need for those policies to be started. Now at the same time, we have seen that big bubble forming out at precious metals, which is now currently starting to collapse as we see this gold to silver ratio to reverse. And so in other words, we do see gold actually outperforming silver as we're seeing this uncertainty actually regaining some strength in the market, as we're seeing gold as this risk off asset actually strengthening against silver. We're seeing the PMI also declining. And so it looks like we're currently at the end phase of this inflationary boom of this business cycle, which is about to end again, as we've seen it here in 28, as we've seen it here in 2020. And so, to say the least, we do obviously can see a continuation of this inflationary boom that we've seen here happening at the precious metals and that we are currently seeing here at oil and natural gas. And so obviously we can see a continuation of that. And you may make some money actually betting on this to continue. But we do believe it's a clock ticking down. We do believe this party is going to be over in the next few weeks and months. And so we are quite conservative concerning those recent developments that we've seen at oil and gas. And due to the fact that we just do see this empirical evidence of the past few cycles that always showed the beginning of those massive crashes, this reversal here at the gold to silver ratio, this weakening PMI, as we've seen those bubbles forming out here at energy prices and also at precious metals. And so we're quite concerned about that. And we do believe that this is about to actually reverse soon, and so we can see obviously this to continue, but we might just see it also end in the next few weeks and months. And so we are quite conservative at this point concerning natural gas. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video so you don't miss future videos, and also support us here for our work on YouTube. Thanks for your support. See you the next time. Bye bye.